Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the pollen filter, cabin filter on this Mini Countryman. This particular model is 2012 and the location for the pollen filter is under the glove box, under the footwell area, just here. So this is the cover which we need to take off. So it's secured by two screws, one on this end and one on this end. Once you undo these two screws, then you need to undo this clip here. So two clips on both sides, then the whole cover just comes off. So what I've learned from this particular car is that there's only one screw on this side. This side the screw is missing, so we're just gonna undo the screw on the front left hand side. So just gonna undo it. There we go, taking the screw off. As I mentioned that there's supposed to be one on this side, just here, but it's missing, so shouldn't be a problem. Also I've noticed that the clip on this side, which is holding the cover from the left hand side, is broken. So all we need to do is just remove this side of the clip. Right, so we're going to use a plastic spoon to lift up the clip here, like that. Once it's lifted, we're going to pull the whole cover down like this. There we go. So that's the cover all the way down. Now what we're going to do is, here is the pollen filter, so just going to pull it in this direction. There we go. So that's the old pollen filter taken off. Looks really dirty. Here comes the new pollen filter. And the make is Bosch. Just bend it like that. Just gonna push it in like this. Just gonna show you the way it gets fitted, like this, and then on this side it goes in from here, goes up. So now we're just gonna put the cover back on. Right, so just gonna put the screw back in. There we go, friends. Job done. Thank you very much for watching the video.